IFRS 7 is all about disclosure. What you need to disclose when there is a financial instrument and you are treating it as a asset, as a liability, as a compound instrument. What all are the disclosure requirements? So this is the summary of the disclosure requirements. Categories of financial asset and liabilities as per IFRS 9 needs to be disclosed. Financial assets or liabilities at fair value through P&L, that needs to be separately disclosed. Investment in equity instrument designated as fair value of OCI, that needs to be separately disclosed. If there is any reclassifications, we talked about reclassification of asset, that needs to be disclosed. Offsetting financial asset and liability, we discussed about that. That needs to be disclosed. What are the collaterals we have? If suppose there is a financial liability and we have provided a collateral. Also, on the contrary, if there is a financial asset, say there is a loan that has been provided by the company and there are a collateral that they have received. So that needs to be disclosed. Credit loss allowance for the measured asset at fair value through OCI, that needs to be disclosed. This credit loss allowance is nothing but impairment loss that we talked about, ECL. Compound financial instrument with multiple embedded derivative, that needs to be separately disclosed. Defaults and breaches in loans payable, that needs to be default. Any change in staging, that needs to be separately disclosed. Breakdown of income, expenses, gains and losses by category, you can't club them and show it as net. You have to show it separately. Accounting policies for all the financial asset which the entity has, that needs to be disclosed separately. Hedge accounting, you have to disclose. We will talk about those disclosures. Fair value and its comparison with carrying amount, that needs to be disclosed separately. So these are the basically list of disclosures which is basically it's a one slider, but it's a summary of all the disclosures that is required in IFRS 7.